Niki said that before they found socks for Leia, she was afraid of walking and was fairly immobile. Now with her socks, she gets around with confidence. Niki said that the minute the socks go on, she has confidence and knows that she will be able to walk around. The trouble started for Leia when Niki ripped out the carpet in her new home in Toronto, Canada. When they replaced the carpet with wood, Leia had never really gotten used to navigating the more slippery surface. Niki said that Leia was wobbly before the carpets were removed, and with the new floors, she was concerned that Leia would hurt herself trying to get around. If Leia doesn't have her socks on, she'll stand on the living room rug and bark and cry until Niki puts on some socks. After she has her socks on, Leia runs around and everyone knows she's so happy. Niki adopted Leia and her brother 2 years ago from a shelter called Under My Wing Pug Rescue. Leia's brother has passed since then, but the couple adopted more dogs, so Leia isn't alone. Share away, people!